Hi, this is your BNB specialist, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your bank account on VRBO. VRBO, as we all know, is not the most friendliest of the websites, and the navigation is often very tricky to find. But let me just show you how you can do this very, very quickly. So once you log into your uh, hosting dashboard, which is vrbo.com, once you are there, the screen should look like this. And then you need to click on property on the left. And under property, you will see payment options. Just click on there. And this will show you your existing payment option if you have set one. And if you want to change it, you just click on here, and then it will do all those navigation verification steps, and it should be able to let you change your bank account to something which you want to set up now. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my videos. That will encourage me to make more such helpful videos. Until next time, bye bye.